All right, thank you, Jason. Good afternoon. Welcome to Delaware. Really, my role today is just to welcome you here. Appreciate that you're here in attendance. We've had a really busy summer here in Wilmington. We've hosted this is the third conference that we've hosted this summer. We started with the third International UHPC Symposium back in June. And then we had the NASTO, or the Northeast ASHTO meeting here in July. So we're excited to have the opportunity to host events like this. Any type of publicity on our state is always a good thing. And I hope that that you get a chance to get out this week. Jason actually ordered really good weather for you guys, so you lucked out. So that'll give you an opportunity to take advantage of many of the things that we have right here. We have the Jack Markell Trail right next to the Environmental Center. So make sure you get out there and you can check out one of our smaller signature bridges over the Christina River there. We have actually crossing the Christina River, the new Christina River Bridge, which if you get a chance to look at it at night, it's a really beautiful bridge. We have along the riverfront lots of shops and restaurants. Make sure to get out and see Iron Hill Brewery and Big Fish, and we have Constitution Yards, the beer garden, which is open 4 to 10. We actually made sure it was open for you this week as well. And luckily, we have the Wilmington Blue Rocks, our minor league baseball team. They're in town this week, so get out and check out a game there. We have others a little bit farther away. Get up to see Market Street or the Brandywine State Park as well. So hopefully you'll get a little bit of time in the evening and can get out and check out these places. So first, really, I want to give some thanks to Jason and Kevin Lindell. Jason, obviously, he's moderating, but he was kind of our head coordinator for this event, as well as Kevin Lindell, who is the head of the section that Jason mentioned, our new bridge maintenance and construction section. And also want to thank Joanna Ridley and Matt Mortensen, who were in charge of the check-in. So when you checked in, you saw both of those folks. So make sure you just say hi to them and just thank them. And also MSU and Nancy for all their hard work. They really coordinate these events like this. So appreciate all that they did. But like I said, we're excited to host. We're a really small state, second smallest in the country. We have the smallest program of any of the DOTs, but we do have a lot of activity going on, particularly in the realm of bridge preservation. And so you'll see kind of throughout this afternoon's agenda and throughout the rest of the week, there's a lot of presentations on by either our staff or some consultants that we work with on projects here in Delaware. Jason mentioned some organizational changes that we had at Delaware. So actually, believe it or not, before 2012, we did not have a solo bridge section. We had our bridge maintenance, our bridge management group in our maintenance division, and our bridge design group, which does all of our capital work, was in our division of transportation solutions. So separate, wasn't a big focus on bridges, and we realized that was a mistake. And so we reorganized, and it's no coincidence that during that time our percentage of poor bridges went from 8% to 1% over the last 12 years. So, that was just one of the keys that led to the improvement. The other was obviously a bigger focus on what we're all here to talk about this week, which is bridge preservation. We've seen bridges in the news a lot lately, and obviously an opportunity like this meeting this week gives you a chance to share best practices and innovations, as well as lessons learned, right? We're not perfect. We made mistakes sometimes, and we have a good opportunity to learn from those mistakes and improve our techniques. One of the things I've sort of gotten into, probably behind the rest of the country, is listening to podcasts on my commute. And one of the ones I listened to is John Acuff, and he was talking about habits and working toward goals, and really bridge preservation is just that, right? Doing daily and routine habits in order to improve the longevity and meet your goals. And so, I hope that you take the opportunity to network and learn this week, and together we can improve our industry. And so with that, just want to thank you again for being here, and I hope you have a great week.